I got
That's good. Did you get it? Okay.
I got it. Don't worry, I'm an expert at
Are you?
this.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Have a good day. This is the Otis elevator at the Prince of Wales Hotel in Niagara-On-The-Lake, Ontario, Canada. Apparently, the lady up on G didn't think I knew how to use one. There's your interlock. Call button. It's a very nice hotel. There's no lantern. Let's do our cab view now. It's a nice elevator. It looks a lot like the US elevator. When I was trying to find this elevator, there was this lady right next to it, and she didn't really think I knew how to operate an elevator for some reason.
I locked the lockers.
And the tour at G. No phone. Watch the button go out on G. And we'll watch it close up.
Okay, well, have a good one, guys.
Thanks a lot.
And that's it.